Hi there. When you want to develop a new course, you start exploring options. Options that are beneficial for the learners. Options that will help them to learn the right topic. Options that will help the learners to gain control of their income. That's what I'm currently doing. It's about time I develop a new course, and I intend to develop it by January the 2016. So I started exploring options. Right now I'm on a website called as trends.builtwith.com, and I'm checking the statistics for various frameworks and languages that have been around and that are currently being used by a lot of programmers across the globe. So at the moment we are just looking at top 10k sites, and we are looking at a pie graph over here, which is right over here. As you can see, 29% of them use PHP, some sort of PHP involved there. About 17% go with ASP.NET. These are purely Microsoft customers. Right over here, the 17%, and over here, MVC, which is about 5%, purely Microsoft. Some sort of Java applications, as you can see, about 9% over here. Shockwave Flash, 4%, Adobe, 3%, Classic, 2%, Classic ASP, ROR, 5%, ROR token again 5%, Cold Fusion about 2%, and few other unknown languages about 19%. But when we switch this drop down to top 100k sites, you see that you see that ASP becomes about 20%, Java about 6, and then almost same over here for PHP and a few other languages over here. If we look the entire internet, now you see that about 40% is captured majorly by PHP, and ASP.NET captures about 36%. As a learner, you might be very confused about what you want to learn, right? The purpose of this video is to ask you what course you want to learn, and at the same time give you a little bit of advice from my side, from my personal experience in this field. I wanted to give you a little bit of advice. If you're looking for the long run, the major accommodation is for PHP, ASP, Shockwave, as you can see, and also Java. But if you look at the top 10k sites, you can be sure that these are some of the top players across the globe. They use 29% of some sort of PHP, about 17% of ASP, and then there is Java over there, J2EE, which is Java 2 Enterprise Edition, 9%, if I'm not mistaken, right? So if you're looking for a long run, if you want a secured job, I advise you to go with PHP, ASP, or J2EE, and maybe even ASP.NET MVC, which is nothing but model view controller type of framework that is very new, right? Anyways, and also possibly Flash as well. But let's say you want to be the person who knows what others do not, right? You want to be that particular sort of expert programmer or developer that knows what others do not. Then you can concentrate on technologies such as Cold Fusion and ROR, which is very popular language, as you know. I'm a little upset that I did not see Python over here, maybe due to some reason, but that shouldn't be a problem. because we are looking at framework technologies. But in any ways, you might go with Adobe Code Fusion, you might go with ROR or ROR token, right? And you can go with these sort of technologies that you see minimally used: 2%, 5%, 5%, 5%, 2, 3, 4, and 9. So, with that being said, just wanted to know what among these languages would you like to learn? Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day ahead.